Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to 31 Days of Yoga. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy. So pleased to have you. If you are into health, fitness, and yoga related videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. And then while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which through the month of January will be every single day. So today I have for you a short, sweet flow. This is inspired by when I very first started teaching yoga. This is kind of the style that I used. So a little bit different than what I do now, but still good. So we'll be getting into basically every part of the body, and you won't be needing any props, just a mat and yourself. Let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. Now, whatever way you cross your legs naturally, go ahead and switch them just to add a little bit of balance to the body, balance to the mind. Hands down for a bit of grounding, palms up for a bit of inspiration. Choose what you need today. Close down the eyes and just begin to notice the breath moving in and out. And not necessarily trying to change anything here, just getting in touch with the natural rhythm of your breath. Feeling the body starting to soften. And from this place of connection, let's go ahead and set an intention for our practice. So allowing this intention to be an inherently positive statement, beginning with the word I. I am connected. I am capable. I am worthy. Or anything else that resonates with you today. And as we move and breathe and come into moments of stillness, let's allow ourselves to return to this intention, connecting the mind to the body, amplifying all the benefits of our practice today. Good. When we feel ready, we can keep our eyes closed or we could softly blink the eyes open. We're just going to ground our hands down onto our knees. As we inhale, we're going to pull our chest forward, look up towards the sky, a little bit of that cow tilt. As we exhale, we'll round, looking down for the belly button. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. Just a few more times like that, inhaling and exhaling. The next time that we're at the back of the movement, let's go ahead and stay there. From here, we'll start to draw our rib cage to the left. Inhale as we sweep the rib cage forward. Take the rib cage to the right, and exhale as we push it all the way back. So go ahead and just find those circles here, inhaling and exhaling. Go ahead and get your head, neck, and shoulders into the mix. Trying to get into all the nooks and crannies of the spine. If there's any spots that feel a little bit tender or that need a little extra love and attention, go ahead and stop. Spend a few breaths there. This movement doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like anything in particular. Just as long as we're feeling good, you're doing it right. Let's stop at the back of the movement. Go ahead and switch directions. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Noticing the difference here. Maybe one direction's a little bit more open than the other. That's pretty normal in bodies, so just allow yourself to notice. Take it into account for the future. Good. Through the back of the movement, let's go ahead. Inhale to stack ourselves tall. Let's take the soles of our feet together. Inhale here, we'll stack, and then exhale, we'll just bow forward. So important here to relatively get your elbows onto your shins. So even if your legs are up here, you can kind of manage that. So maybe wiggle down just a little bit. From here, let's take our right hand to the inside of the right knee. Give a little bit of pressure there as we spiral open. You can look over your right shoulder. So folding and twisting at the same time. Good, let's come back through center. Switch over to the other side, left hand to the inside of the left knee. Give a little pressure away, look over the shoulder. Excellent. Come back through center. Let's inhale to rise ourselves up. Take the hands behind the back this time. So now we're in a little bit of a back bend. Go ahead, ground down through the left hand. Reach the right arm up and over. You can look for that left hand, looking over the shoulder. A little bit of a back bend, a little bit of a twist, kind of the opposite of what we just did. Good, let's go ahead and then set that right arm down, left arm sweeps up. Go ahead, open through the chest, open through the heart. One more inhale. Exhale, let's come back. Okay, let's go ahead and make our way towards hands and knees, however you want to get there. Just 3 rounds of cat-cow. Let's inhale, drop the belly, lift the crown of the head, lift the tailbone. Exhale, press the ground away, look for the belly button. Inhale to open through the heart space. Exhale to open through the back body. One more round, use your own breath. Good. Inhale to neutralize the spine, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Go ahead and walk it out here, alternating bending and lengthening through the heels, shooting one and the other down towards the mat. Good. As we're ready, we're going to peek in between our hands, and with the smallest steps possible, we'll start to make our way up to the top of the mat. As we arrive, go ahead, soften through the knees, grasp opposite elbows, allow a little bit of sway side to side. Good. Inhale, halfway lift, peek forward, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, soften through the knees, fold. Inhale, let's sweep the arms all the way out and up. Press the palms together at the top. Exhale, down and in to heart center. Good. So let's go ahead. We'll just take 2 rounds of a half sun salutation, and then we'll add on to a modified classical sun salutation. So let's inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, soften the knees to fold. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Press the palms together at the top. Exhale, down and in to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Press the palms together at the top, and then exhale, down and in to heart center. All right, modified classical sun salutation. Let's inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend through the knees as much as you need to. Step the right foot back. Settle the right knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, set the hands down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, shoot the front foot to the back. As we exhale, we'll lower down knees, chest, and chin. Inhale, slither forward, baby cobra. Exhale, press yourself back, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg reaches up and back. Exhale, open up in the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, draw the knee into the chest, plant the foot down in between the palms. Settle the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands plant down. Inhale, big step to the top, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up, press the palms together at the top. Exhale, down and in to heart center. Other side, inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, soften through the knees, plant the palms, step the left leg back, settle the knee down. Inhale, right leg, Anjane. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, step the front foot to the back. Exhale, lower down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, slither forward, baby cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg reaches up and back. Exhale, open up in the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, draw the knee into the chest, plant the foot down in between the palms. Slide the back knee down. Inhale, sweep it up, Anjane. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, big step to the top, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Press the palms together at the top. Exhale, down and in to heart center. Let's go one more round each side. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant the palms, step the right leg back, settle the knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, lower down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, big step to the back. Inhale, and then exhale, lower down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, slither forward, baby cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, open up in the hip. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, big step to the top. Slide the knee down. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale to the ground. Inhale, halfway lift, top of the mat. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant the palms, left leg steps back, settle the knee down. Inhale, Anjane. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step it back to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, child's. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg reaches up. Exhale, open the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, draw that knee into the chest, plant the foot down in between the palms, slide the back knee down. Inhale, reach it up, Anjane. Exhale, lower. Inhale, big step to the top, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms reach out and up, press the palms together at the top. Exhale, down and in to heart center. Good, let's take it back with a more traditional sun salutation. A, inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant the palms, step or jump your way back to a plank pose. Inhale here. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, right leg reaches up and back. Exhale, open up in the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, draw the shin to the back of the wrists, setting up for pigeon pose. Inhale to find a little bit of lift, pulling the knees together, squaring off the hips, and then exhale to fold. Maybe to a prop, to your elbows. Maybe you are laying down on the ground. Wherever you are, take 5 or so more breaths here, allowing the outer hips to open. Good, let's go ahead, take ourselves back up to our hands, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee. Slowly, let's shoot that right leg all the way up and back, three-legged dog. Exhale to set it down. Reestablish that downward dog however you need to. Inhale, left leg reaches up and back. Exhale, open up in the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, square it off. Exhale, shin slides to the back of the wrists. Once again, pigeon pose, left side. Inhale, let's lift. Find a little bit of flight through your pigeon. And then exhale, let's fold. Good, wherever we find ourselves, whatever variation we're taking. 5 more breaths. Excellent. Let's come back to the hands. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, nice and slow. Let's lift and extend that left leg back. And then settle it down. Big toes to touch. Take the knees nice and wide. Uncurl the toes. Sink the sit bones back. Child's pose. Meander your way down so your forehead is connected with the ground. Rock the head gently side to side, massaging that third eye space. And let's return back to that intention that you set for yourself. Option to take a little shavasana in child's pose. If that doesn't sound like it will serve you today, let's go ahead, lift ourselves up, extend the legs, and move ourselves into a more so traditional shavasana. Wherever we land, let's take a moment for some gratitude. Recognizing how amazing, how truly amazing our bodies are. Able to move us from point A to point B. Having 4 limbs that can express ourselves, can move ourselves. And allow this gratitude to fill you as you take these moments to process and integrate all that we've done in our practice together. Feel free to stay in this shavasana for however long serves you. The light that's within me honors and acknowledges the light that's within you. And from the seed, from the source, we are literally one. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.